Ever wonder what sets the best food producers apart from the rest? It's all about the right process. Here's your rapid-fire GMP checklist. First up, personal hygiene. Insist on clean uniforms, regular hand washing, and zero jewelry on the floor. No shortcuts, this is your first line of defense. Next, equipment and surfaces. Sanitize all tools and contact points before and after shifts. Schedule deep cleans and keep logs. If it touches food, it needs to be spotless. Ingredient control matters. Check your suppliers, verify deliveries, and store ingredients properly. Think temperature, humidity, and labeling. Process controls. Stick to written procedures for every step, from mixing to packaging. Document everything. Traceability is your best friend if anything goes wrong. Pest management isn't optional. Seal up gaps, monitor for activity, and use approved controls. A single fly can shut you down. Training time. Make sure everyone on your team knows the rules and why they matter. Refresher sessions keep standards fresh. And finally, audits. Schedule regular self-inspections and welcome outside audits. They're not just a checkbox. They're your roadmap for improvement. Follow these best practices, and you're not just making food. You're making a reputation for quality and safety that lasts. Stay sharp, stick to the checklist, and keep those standards sky high. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips.